Now you keep shirt, pants tucked around and measure.
Shut up. You gotta have personality. Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Ebony B. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to any new subscribers that I may have. I appreciate you for joining my channel also. Before we go any further, let me go ahead and remind you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that little bell notification so that you know the next time I upload a video. So in this video, I am doing a wig review from Cloud9, the What Lace collection. I know you guys have probably seen several videos on this wig line. I think it's only about 4 of them, but I'm just going to be reviewing Celeste in the color 99J, which is this Alright y'all, so before we dive into this wig, I at least wanted to show you guys the stock card for this Cloud9 Swiss lace wig in the What Lace line. So I know you guys been seeing these wigs all over YouTube. I know I have. I think there's about 4 of them in this collection, the What Lace collection. So here's the stock card. This style is in the style Celeste and in the color 99J. Alright, so this is supposed to be the synthetic wig that resembles the human hair wig with the pre-cut lace, with the pre-plucked lace hairline. So let's just hope that's what we get. Although I have been seeing some pretty good reviews on this particular line. Now I've already gone ahead and cut off the lace off camera. The cap construction has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. So here is the hair. Now the hair has like a natural body wave type with some sprinkles of the red color with this 99J. Now I feel like this hair, just by running my fingers through it, is going to be shed and tangle friendly. I feel like I'm going to get both shedding and tangling out of this wig. But let me just get it on my hair and make better judgment. Now that I'm looking at this lace, I think I want to add some powder. I mean, this is normally something I would do to a human hair wig, but because I don't think this hairline is going to mesh with my own skin tone, yeah, I need to add a little something to the lace. And I'm going to use my Fit B foundation powder in the color 355 Coconut, because that's my skin color. And I'm just patting it into the lace, just to get rid of this weird color that it already has, and hopefully it will blend a lot better with my own skin. I didn't say before, this has a 13 by 6 lace parting area, so you have a little bit of option, a little bit of wiggle room to part the wig with this kind of space. So let's get her on and see what we're looking like. Oh, and I already have my wig cap on. I did not put a wig grip on. I wanted to lay as flat as possible, so I didn't want to put the wig grip on this time. And I also plan to use the, what do you call this stuff? Freeze spray. Got to be glued freeze spray to keep it down and secure. Alright y'all, so this is what we have. Now if you've seen any of my other videos, I am typically a side part chick. I don't really do a lot of middle parting, but let me see. And it's usually the same side over here on my right. I'm just looking to see if the foundation kind of hid a lot of these knots, but not really. It's not a human hair wig, so I'll probably just add some more powder in the parting area wherever I choose to place it. Okay, it's still not glued down yet, y'all, so I'm just trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this today. I want to style her. The middle part is actually cute. I'm not mad at the middle part. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with the side. It's just, I always just stick to the norm, y'all. I love my side part. I love my side part. So that is where I'm going to go today. All right, so I'm gonna clip this back. I don't know why it was so important for me to figure out my part before I glued this down, but that was like really important for me to figure out first. I like my little cute zipper earrings. I think they're so cute. Got these from this girl I shop for I shop through quite frequently, named La Vida Rosa. She has the cutest little earrings. And anytime you see any of my posts on Instagram, or not anytime, but I have several posts on Instagram where I shout her out with my earrings. All right, I'm gonna move this back. And just spray my hairline with this freeze spray. And this has got to be glue lasting freeze spray. I don't never know what to call this thing. It's just glue spray. I'm just gonna call it glue spray. Tie this down. All right, let's see. It's gonna work my nerves. Look at this. I'll spray some more in a second. Ugh, these tangles like are getting on my legs. You know what? Just have to keep telling myself it's a synthetic wig. It's to be expected. Look at this, like. So I'm not liking the quality of the hair as much, although I think they really did do a good job of with this lace front. As soon as I, you know, cut these baby hairs. Yeah, and making it, you know, look as natural as possible. But this tangling stuff for the birds. So I already know this is not an everyday wig. I will not be wearing this every day. I got my blow dryer. I'm putting it on the cool setting just to make this go a little faster. right, y'all. So, final thoughts on this wig. I absolutely love the simulation of a real human hair lace front and trying to make it look as natural as possible. I don't like, actually this is good textured hair. It's not that silky, wiggy type hair. But it's just so doggone tangly. I'm not a fan of super heavy, tangly hair. And it's a bit shed friendly. I'm getting hair all over the place. So this, again, is not your everyday type of wearing wig. And then there's a lot of frizzies going on with this hair. I don't know if you noticed, I had to put like quite a bit of mousse to get these little flyaways under control. And I still see some more, but you know, I did give it, I put enough in here. So it's gonna be what it's gonna be. I paid $49.99 for this wig from Sam's Beauty. This is not a sponsored video. I actually spent my own coins on this wig. Would I purchase another one? Maybe, because I've heard some of the other ones are